First winner. Well, since I had it. We'll clean this off and unveil the new hood. I'm about to link up with Mari, official double M with the Scott. I have to film some shit. So, figure I'd get a berries. Damn, it's cold. I ain't got no gloves, too. This shit look tough, y'all. Look, it's my baby first winter wonderland out here. Those of you who know them rear wheel drive V8s do not do good in the snow. The cops was up ahead, so I had to put the phone down. I don't want them to catch me on some shit. I already got tents and no inspection and all this crazy shit, so I ain't trying to make it harder than what it is. I had to circle back for Mari. Let me see if it looked like he stopped in front of the mother car heads. So I'm gonna see if he up there still. Oh, there you go. He with the other heads. So he got up there. That boy Twig, yeah, look. He got stage 1 on that. What's that, a C63 I think it is? Mari shit. And they flowers. Oh shit, I'm about to bust mine. Woo! Easy. Swing it. Ain't that shit front wheel drive though? That's a young nigga too. Out the way. Them boys tweet. Now look at this shit. And it's crazy. It's crazy because the cops literally right over there. They right behind this building.
Oh, he just posted up?
Yeah, he parked up.
Them
niggas tweaking.
Nah, word.
I can't risk that right now.
Yeah,
But
he said, do mine.
yeah. Mari about to do his shit. He just learned how to do it too. Yo, show him what you learned, what you just learned. You heard? Oh, he doing donuts too? Look. Hey, drifting out here. It's cold as fuck out. There you go. Mari literally just learned how to do this shit like 10 minutes ago. Let's see if he got it. They want him to do it. The boat. Oh, the boat. Let's go. Yeah, you got something. You got something. Yeah. Don't ask me. I ain't doing that shit. I'm just spectating. It was cool as fuck. You about to go again? Woo, that shit look risky as fuck. Yo, show them how it's done, yo. Alright, YouTube, you already know. Another day. Back at work. I already started doing this shit, but I'm doing an oil change on the Camaro. It's long overdue. Got the oil here, got the filter there. I already started, so jacked the car up. Hit the bolt with some penetrating lube. See, I already cracked it. And then yeah, we're gonna drain this oil. Give me a second. Damn, I thought I was recording the whole time, I guess not. But yeah, the bolt was already cracked. I just, you know, took it off, finger tighten, oil was going. I'm gonna let that bitch drain. Damn, I thought this was gonna be easier than what I thought. But yeah, let this shit drain and then get back to y'all. This shit black. Alright, yes, sir. And of course I'm doing this shit in the winter. Like it's, I mean, not that it matters, but it's cold as hell. And it's about to be a storm, a snowstorm over here in Jersey. Surprisingly, for those of you who don't know, Camaros take 10 quarts of oil. So I'm gonna go through both of these. Both of these will be done by the time I add this one. I got a 30-minute lunch break. I was trying to knock this out, but it was a pain taking that bolt out. I forget what a filter is. Done this so many times. You see them headers in there, y'all? I've never actually been underneath the car. Check them out, but they look good, don't they? Alright gang, so this shit is finishing up, as you can see. I'm gonna let it run for a little bit more, but I had to go on YouTube to find out where that oil filter was. I completely forgot. Apparently it is up in there somewhere. I think I can see it. So I'm gonna get that out in a sec, and then put the bolt back in, put the new filter in, and then top off the oil. Alright, so I have to run next door and go grab one of these. Hopefully I can take this out. I can use this. About to find out. So this didn't work. So now we're moving on to this. I'll let y'all know how it goes. Guys, damn, I'm defeated. Finally got it. It took a little longer than I would like, but god damn. I was in there pretty good. On the flip side, I don't know if I showed y'all this, but did y'all see the headers? Who's that? Who's still back there?
You! Yo, the charger's ready.
My guy.
I changed the faceplate on it because it was all bent.
Okay.
I was able to get the one.
All right. So now, oh, that's heavy. Now we gotta add the oil. That shit's still touching. Yeah, I gotta add the oil. I don't know if this funnel is good enough for this. Not like a dusty ass funnel, huh? Look. Alright, I can't film this part because I need it to stay in there and they keep coming back out. So y'all get the memo. I'm just gonna add oil. Also, y'all, while changing the oil, might as well dump out what's in the oil catch can. And this, it's a decent size right here. This is everything that would have went back into the engine. That's crazy. And to think this car didn't have one on it. I had to install this myself. That's wild. And that's only what? How long did I have this on? Let me see. Thank you very much. April, we're in December, so I think I put this on in April, May. And remember, I've been on the bike. I don't even drive a car as much. We gotta reset the oil gauge here. Just go down a couple times till you hit bam versus oil life. Right? Select, or matter of fact, you gotta hit the right. Boom. Okay, to reset. Bam. Reset. Yes. So it should bring it back to 100%. And then you're good to go. Everything seemed to be intact. I mean, engine a little rocky, but yeah, we're good. I probably gotta clean that throttle body a little bit more. Yeah, burbling? That sounds crazy. Now I'm about to go dump this oil down the drain in the sink or something. Nah, don't do that. I'm gonna take it over there to the shop because we got a little container reservoir thing you can put the oil in. I'm gonna let this run for a little bit and then I'll be back. All right, y'all, so oil change is done. I'm just getting out of work now. As you see, it's pitch black out here. It's only like 5 o'clock too. But oil change is done. Also, I started messing around with the bumper trying to put it all together. Not having any luck with that shit, so I'm gonna send it to my mechanic and he's gonna take over from there. But in the meantime, I'm about to hop up in the Camaro, head home. Alright, y'all, it's another day of snow. It's like day 2, 3, I don't know what day it is, but as you can see, the car is buried in snow again. Y'all would have thought I lived in Alaska, Antarctica type shit. But here, let me give y'all a little ice cold start. It's been like this since last night. Clearing off the snow and shit. I'm about to go to the Slipstream and probably film some shit. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to move. Alright, so I just saw a slip. We already linked up, and I'm about to go pull up on him. He went this way. Police station. Chill, we tweaking. Oh, I should have turned. Oh, no, right here. I can't shift, y'all. I'm driving with one hand over here trying to record for y'all. There might be cops up here because niggas tend to do donuts and burnouts up here. Yeah, a little POV type video. Look. Again, y'all, I'm chilling in second gear. Is that him? I ain't slip. Civilian ass Beamer and shit. See, I thought that was him. A Ford or Chevy Malibu, whatever it is. Hella civilized in that Beamer. I keep trying to get him to get a Mustang, but you know what I mean? He want that B58. Oh, I knew somebody was gonna come flying down here. See what I'm saying? That shit look nice, man. It's slow, don't it? No, he's usually right over. Oh, I can see why he's not here on that snow. There he is, back at the station. Let's get up in there. Slide up in there. Hold on now, hold on here. Let me get up. Oh shit, what's with you? Let me get up in them. Alright, YouTube team, look, we just touched down. We linked up with Slipstream right here. We about to film a little bit of content. You heard? You already know his channel and shit. You already know the channel. It's already gonna be
You already know, like and subscribe for your boy.
all that good shit. All that good shit, my boy. But yeah, we about to film some shit. Just cleaned up the car in front of his station and shit. So we about to get right.
My station?
When I tell y'all that boy got me working.
Clock in, you heard?
We got some sturdy clips though. We got some decent clips. We only did his so far. I'm about to cook up something myself. Type of parking? What type of parking is this? At his headquarters again. A fun fact, y'all. This wasn't part of the accident, but this has happened recently. Alright, y'all. This might conclude the video. I think we all set. I knocked out a couple vids after Slip knocked out a couple. You see him wilding out over there, look. So am I. Oh. You see what the car say? Yeah, I probably ain't gonna see that. Drive with care, cause it's ice. And he got me out here wilding. Again, manual with one hand. I'm just getting the content for y'all. Whoa, we almost lost it. He trying to flex because he all-wheel drive over there. I'm not. But yeah, that might conclude the video. I don't know. I'm gonna let y'all know. If there's more to it, I'm gonna add to it. But I think that's gonna conclude. You know what I'm saying? If it is, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one, my boys.